Hello, my name is Aaliyah Smith, and this will be me showing off my editing skills and my skills to do a presentation with my voice, with me in it as well, and with the screen. Okay, so I thought I'd do like a little, so I'm just not talking about myself. I thought I would show off one of my favorite shows, which is the Moomins. I watched it when I was younger. It's like Swedish, so not everyone knows about it, but it is definitely my favorite show. It's like a family cartoon kind of thing. In it there are the Moomins. Right here's this Moomin Papa. Oops, I clicked on it, and this is Moomin Papa, and he's a Moomin. Basically, shows like about all these different characters, like Sniff, Moomin Mama. Let's see another one I know. That's the ghost, the island ghost. Moomin Papa, Little Mai, Moomin Troll, and then here's Snork Maiden. She looks like a Moomin, but she's not a Moomin. And then that's Mimble, so she's a Mimble. Invisible Girl's over here. Here's Two Ticky. I don't know. I could never figure out if Two Ticky was a girl or a boy. I don't know. I still don't know. But honestly, I still love the show. There are probably 80 episodes. I still watch it like just in my free time. Little Mai, she's like a rambunctious. She's like the bad kid, always up to no good. The show's mainly about Moomin and his adventures. Moomin Papa is always trying to write his memoirs. Mimble is Little Mai's older sister, who's in some of the episodes. Here's the Hobgoblin. He flies around on a panther, and he used to scare me really bad. Here's the Groke back here. When I was younger, she would scare me so badly. Like, it was terrible. And then Moomin Mama is Moomin's mom. And basically the show like just teaches manners and things like that. And then Sniff, he's like really scared and nervous. And I don't see, there's one character, here he is up here. Snufkin. I actually named my cat after Snufkin. Snufkin's kind of like adventurous and stuff like that. It was just, which I didn't know at the time, but it's just like my cat that I have right now. Mm-hmm. Thank you so much for watching my video on Moomin, showing that I can do this for the I Can Do This project. Yeah, my name is Aaliyah Smith, and thank you very much.